What's up, people? This is Ammu, and you are watching Ammu's Beauty and Cooking Directory, the place to know DIY hacks to secret recipes for delicious food. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Today I'm sharing crispy homemade banana chips. Let's start. Firstly, slit the banana and peel the skin of raw banana. Peel off the skin completely. To mix solution water, add half a spoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now slice to medium thickness. Put the slices of banana into a solution of water and let it sit for 5 minutes. To deep fry the banana slices, heat the coconut oil. When it starts smoking, add the slices in small batches. Make sure to drain the water completely. Stir occasionally and fry on medium flame. Fry until golden color. At this stage, add salt solution and transfer onto a paper napkin. Repeat the same process with remaining slices. Enjoy your banana chips. You can store in an airtight container for a week. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. See you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.